Natish21.
What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Natish21 here, back with another video, and today we are here with Alex from the Detail Machine 905 once again. If you guys did not watch the last video where we had the G35 detailed, did an amazing job, absolutely blew it out of the water. The car literally came out looking better inside and out than the day I bought it. So he did a great job on the car. So today we are doing the C63 AMG. Now this car, I use it as a daily and it's gotten quite a bit dirty, as you can see from the interior. You know, busy guy, didn't have a lot of time to keep it tip-top shape, but you can see the interior is quite a bit of a mess. We got a lot of marks everywhere, and Alex is going to go ahead and do the inside and outside of this car. The most important thing for me, and I never got a chance to touch it, show you guys the engine bay. Obviously you guys are gonna look at me and be like, what a dirty bitch, but yeah, the engine bay, Alex, what do you think? Needs a clean, right? Yeah, definitely needs a clean. So Alex, I can't wait to show you guys the before and after shots of the engine bay. This is gonna be like the prime candidate here to get clean. So all right, I'll let Alex get to it, and I'll leave you guys with the montage. All right, guys, so Alex just finished up on the C63 AMG. It's looking absolutely fantastic. We're gonna get into the interior in just a second. I just want to show you guys the engine bay first, because that was the one thing that on this car was absolutely filthy. But car's looking fantastic. Brakes, wheels, everything cleaned right inside. Let's get that engine bay open and see how that looks. Oh my God, dude,
brand new.
Wow, now that's what we're talking about. Holy shit. Damn. Wow, that looks phenomenal, guys. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Is Alex the GOAT or what? Look at that. Fantastic. That's amazing. Take a look at the interior. That's another thing that he specializes in, getting into every nook and cranny, into the vents, the carpets. I love this little pattern thing he does on the carpets. You can see it even a lot in the back seats. On the ground, if you saw the G35, he did that in there as well. So looks really good. Look at the center console. All my dusty ass dust all gone, clean as a whistle. It's gonna feel a lot nicer driving this now. Look at that, fantastic. All right, we'll take it for a drive. What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Natish21 back with another video, and today I'm just gonna get a haircut right now, but I wanted to bring you guys some information. Now, I don't know where I am between the uploads right now, but if you guys haven't already seen it, the G should be on the road by now, and right after this haircut I'm gonna head over and we're gonna do an oil change on it, and we're gonna take it for its first proper drive, and then we'll eventually be doing a power tune, which is going to be like the big video, just like last time. What I wanted to let you guys know is, while I am excited for that car, and I have been, you know, it's been down for 2 years now that that car is back on the road, that's all fine and dandy. What I wanted to bring to you guys' attention is that I have something else in the works, and it's not on the G. The G is pretty much done. It's going to be set up, it's going to be running nice, but now, as you guys know, I have the C63 AMG and I have the E92 M3, and we got something huge coming for one of the two cars. I'm not gonna tell you guys yet which one it is. I'll let you guys leave it in the comments below. What do you guys think it is? What's the mod or set of mods? And is it for the C63 or is it for the E92 M3? I'm gonna let you guys know I have two big things coming. One is exhaust related, so we might get a change of the sound on this car or on the other car. Sounds glorious. So now on the E92 M3, we're running the Sencal Motorsports full titanium valved exhaust, and it sounds phenomenal. Oh man. Holy shit. Oh. Oh, god damn. Oh my god.
Holy fuck.
If you guys have an E92 M3, definitely go check out the videos on that. And if you guys are interested in picking one up, just use my coupon code in the description there to get a discount on it. On this car, we have primary cats, but we have the secondary cats and the mid resonator deleted, so it sounds like that. So it sounds fantastic, but maybe I wanted to change it up, right? So we're gonna do something either to this car or that car, and you guys will get to see what that is. But I wouldn't leave it at just the exhaust setup, because as you guys know, not a lot has changed on this car or the M3 in quite some time. So it's time we make a change, and not just any change. I want you guys to guess what's coming, because it's big. It's so big for one of the two cars. Oh yeah, and you're probably like, you're going to a barber? Where the hell are you? Yeah, my barber's cutting from his own house right now, so yeah, I gotta drive about 35 minutes into the straight bumfuck Idaho to get a haircut now. That's what it is. The cut's fire though, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not sure how I feel about these pops, man. Like, it's almost borderline too much, but like I remember what we had on Daniel's car, that was way too much, and we had to go back to ECC and be like, yo, turn this shit down. Check this out. that's what it was like. And then after we retuned it, like we did a little bit of a different burble map on it, this is how his sounded. That is disgusting. Mine's not too bad. Like if you're up in the RPM, that's like the most you get, I think. Still a little too much. I love those shifts, man. My God. It's like... Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.